Welcome to Anam Satisfying Art YouTube channel. Today we are present with a new art. Things you need. Paper card. Fold the paper like this. Cut from here. Cut in this way. Watercolors. Sky color. वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि अगली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। अप्लाई कलर पेन like this. Let it dry. White color. Let it dry. Make it this way as shown in the video. Tape. Make it this way as shown in the video. Like this. Silver color. Golden color. Blue color. Pen. Make it this way as shown in the video. Like this. Silver color tape. If you have not subscribed to Anam Satisfying Art YouTube channel, subscribe now. Dark green color pen. Sky watercolor. Let it dry. It's ready. If you like this video, like the video, share, comments and subscribe the channel as well as press the bell icon so that the next video notification can reach you.